Hi, and welcome back. Today we're talking about revising an academic essay. Now, revising is an important step in writing because it'll help you improve your essay and make it more readable. Think of revising as polishing. You already have something valuable, your first draft, but with a little work, it can even be better. Now, first, let's talk about the big picture. When you start revising, look at the overall structure of your essay. Ask yourself, does my essay have a clear introduction? Does it have clear body paragraphs? And does it have a clear conclusion? Is my thesis statement strong and easy to understand? Now, your thesis statement is the main idea of your essay, so it needs to be clear and it needs to be specific. Check if each paragraph supports your thesis and if the ideas logically flow from one to the next. If something seems, out of place or confusing, it's a good idea to reorganize your paragraphs or add transitions or maybe even change words to improve the flow. Next, focus on the content of your essay. Look at each paragraph and ask, is this paragraph clear and is this paragraph focused? Does it provide enough evidence to support my point? Sometimes you might need to add more details or examples to make your argument stronger. And other times, you may find some information is really not necessary or even off topic, and you need to just remove it. Keep in mind, every sentence should add to your main argument and help support your position. Now let's get into the details. This is where you check for grammar, for spelling, and for punctuation mistakes. These might seem like small issues, but they can make a big difference in how professional your essay looks. Read your essay slowly and carefully, and don't rely on the spell check. Pay attention to your word choice and sentence structure. Make sure your language is clear and your language is concise. And avoid using those complicated words or phrases just to sound smart. Simple and direct language is often more effective. Finally, consider getting feedback from others. Sometimes another person can see things you missed or suggest improvements you hadn't thought of. You can ask a friend or a classmate or even a teacher to read your essay and give you their thoughts. Be open to their feedback and use it to make your essay better. In the end, revising an academic essay involves looking at the big picture. It involves improving the content. It involves correcting the details and getting feedback. It might take some time and effort, but it's worth it. A well-revised essay is clearer, it's stronger, and it's more persuasive. Remember, writing is a process and revising is a key part of that process. So take your time, be thorough, and don't be afraid to make changes. I wish you the best and happy revising.